Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. These are pretty much the views of me driving into Nevada from California. Now I did LA to Las Vegas pretty much, and it was about a 3.5 hour drive. There was absolutely no traffic. I woke up super early at 4 a.m. and we got to it. So as we got closer to Red Rock State Park, I was getting so excited because I could actually see the Red Rocks. And I didn't really know what to expect once we got there, but it was pretty spectacular, especially the first stop. We paid the $20, we drove right in, and the next slide is going to be the first stop, which is honestly the absolute best. Okay guys, just got here to Red Rock. It's already so beautiful. I'm so excited to go and explore. Yeah, sometimes I get kind of distracted. This is so... Oh wow, it's like more on the bottom. Brought the puppy. I feel like the video isn't even doing it justice. Back to Miley, just smelling random stuff.
That's a big old red rock.
Okay. Let's keep walking down. Okay, I made it to the edge, and this is like what it looks like. So this is the end of this path here, and the views are just incredible. So beautiful. Look at that. This was so worth it. I initially was like $20. This is not that cute. It's cute. It is worth it. I feel like the video is probably not doing it justice, but it's breathtaking. Okay, now we're gonna go back up through, through this little path back where we came from. Okay, now we're going back up here. I'm trying to be careful not to fall.
So you don't want to go to Lake Mead or to Hoover right now?
No.
No?
So once you get into the park, you pretty much drive in a pretty big circle. So this is going to be the second stop. We didn't really stop here because there wasn't a whole lot to see, but we did just drive slowly, record, and just observe. Now I did learn that the rocks get their reddish color from iron erosion, which was pretty cool to find out. Even though the park is called Red Rock Canyon, most of the rocks are actually going to be white rocks, as you'll come to see. To the next stop. No trails, just views.
That's beautiful, Miley.
Driving up to the Hoover Dam, we passed Lake Mead, which apparently is the biggest water reservoir in the United States. This massive man-made reservoir served millions of the Las Vegas residents with clean, fresh water every year. Upon entering the Hoover Dam, we didn't have to pay any type of entry fee. We just stopped at a security point. The officer just pretty much asked to check our back seats and asked that we don't bring any drones inside. Arrived to the Hoover Dam. I'm gonna be walking up those steps. Walking up the stairs. Almost there. Once you're walking up, to get the view of the whole dam, there is a lot of information about the construction of the Hoover Dam, why it was constructed, and just the history behind it. The idea of building such a massive project in the middle of the desert is actually mind-boggling. After reading some of the informationals that they had, temperatures in this area reached up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and many workers pretty much did lose their lives to heat exhaustion and just overall injury. So we came, of course, on the Nevada side, and as you will see, there is a long bridge pretty much just walking across the Hoover Dam, and on the other side will be the state of Arizona, which is pretty cool. I didn't get to walk to that part because the person that I was with did not really care to walk all the way there. Granted, I don't think that there is much of a difference, but the views, just even walking and getting to the middle and just seeing how massive this dam is and just the water from one side versus the other, it's really incredible. cool. Wish we could go to the Arizona side, but yeah, overall it was really cool. Super educational, really beautiful. Gosh, it is still raining. I really hope it doesn't rain tomorrow because I have a lot of things that I want to do. I want to head up the strip and I can't do that if it's raining. So, but it's still pretty warm. It's gonna be like Florida type of weather. So see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.